Hey everyone, welcome back. If you see a message saying access is temporarily unavailable, this is usually a security or a system issue. Wait a few minutes before trying to log in again, as repeated attempts can extend the block. Then check that you are re-entering the correct login details. Restart your phone and reopen the app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the Barclays app, swipe it away, wait for a few while and then reopen it. After that, make sure the app is updated. Head over to your app store, search for the Barclays app and update your app. Sometimes issues like your access temporarily unavailable happens because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Also, make sure that your phone's software is also fully updated. If access remains unavailable, try logging in through Barclays online banking using a web browser. For ongoing issues, contact Barclays support to restore access to your account, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.